And finally, I found two ways or two methods to balance the lithium batteries. I'm sharing. First, I need to wear my glove. Well, this is the rules. Just check. I convert this charger. This is the 12 volts flooded battery charger. I convert to 3.67. I am showing you. The negative is already connect with this negative. Okay, this is the multimeter negative, and this is the charger negative. First you check this method. There we have a 3.695. Okay, and we can charge with the 3.8 volt. Finally, when we equalizing the battery, we can provide per one time 3.8 and some voltages. Okay, so I converted this power supply to 3.696, mean 3.7, nearly to 3.7. And now I am charging this first battery with this. Okay, first I need to connect the multimeter. Now the battery voltage is standby 3.367, and this is the charging voltages. And we can charge fix 3.69 some. Okay, and how much amps they are providing, because the difference is little. So okay, for negative battery 3 amps, they are providing 3 amps, and the output voltage is 3.795. The one way I found to convert this 12 volt flooded battery charger from 12 volts to 3.69. And another way or another method I found to have an active balancer. Now I can balance 4 cells with this active balancer. But the easy way is that, and low price we can purchase a active balancer, capacitor, flying capacitor active balancer. But we cannot use this forever because we have the capacitor life 30,000 time charge, discharge, and the capacitor life finished. Okay, so you can use for balancing the lithium batteries. Just for single balance, you need to have the 16S flying capacitor active balancer. Now I can balance this battery with this 4S. How? This is the battery negative, so I need to connect the battery negative with negative, and this is the battery 1, and again this is the battery 2, battery 3, and battery 4. And I can balance this, but I convert this charger successfully from 12 volt to 3.69, and now I provide here. Now I am charging with this. To check this method, and we can use a 16 charger, but this is the expensive chargers, so we need to spend more money with this. But I am recommending this active balancer, but we cannot use forever because we have a 30,000 time charging discharging life. And you can install, and if we have here a switch, yes, here we have switch. So purchase, if you are using a lithium battery, purchase this super capacitor active balancer, install, and here install a switch to this run switch. I shunt this. Okay, and when you have unbalanced battery, just run for some time. And now I am using my method to just check, because I promise and I complete my promise. And how you can convert, there we have a TL341. Here I have, okay, so you need to provide a potentiometer. Okay, next time I need to share the full data how I convert this 12 volts flooded battery charger to 3.69. As you can see, I am removing this. The negative is already connected with negative, and here I am connecting this power supply voltages with multimeter to check the output voltages. Just check 3.699, mean 3.7 volts. Okay, this is the way to have 16 chargers, but this is difficult and expensive. So also use actio capacitor balancer, because I receive the actio balancer, the actio capacitor balancer and a Caterpillar batteries, but not connected. Why? Because the limited life, 30,000 time charge discharge. But know about in 1 second approximately, this is running on 400 to 500 frequency. So we can use just, if you are using this continuously, after 5 to 6 months, they cannot balance the battery. So install, this is the good thing. Just install and turn off the switch. And when you have unbalanced cells, run for some time to balance, and again off the active balancer for long life. And if you want to, but I am not recommending this charger. I found easy way to have the active balancer to balance the cells. Okay, I promise and I complete my promise. And now I'm just checking with this, but the easy way is that to install for this 4 cells. Okay, for this 4 cells, and when I balance this 4, I need to install again from negative to more 4, and after that I need to install for another. Okay, so this is the way to balance the cells perfectly. And take care, see you next time. But remember that I promise I provide you a data to have a 16 cells active balancer for 16 cells battery, and 15 cells balancer for 15 cell batteries. Okay, thank you so much for your support, for your love, and see you next time. Best luck.